The package order framework allows you to efficiently manage your packaging orders and precisely measure the performance of the packaging processes. Each order consists of several work steps, starting with a software order, with all steps recorded and evaluated in detail. Responsibilities are clearly defined: the client, the packaging technician, and the IT management team. If there are problems, one of these roles is responsible for the solution. The process starts with filling out an order form. In the overview, you can view all current orders and view completed orders again if necessary. Each order is assigned to a client and a technician. Let's start by entering an order. The form either starts empty or can be pre-filled by the ticket system. The client fills out all these fields correctly and confirms their details at the end of the form. The IT technician can then additionally check the order. The form is generated at the beginning of the first project within the basic settings. In this area, extensive sections can be created with various elements such as text fields, selection options, and text blocks. Each element offers flexible customization options for a completely individual design. Your users can automatically document their desired applications. We recommend that you find someone responsible for all your applications in your company. This person determines the type of installation and can later reliably test the created software package. You can prepare the order for him and generate him a token for the package order wizard. The application owner can then record the application using this token. The documentation can then be saved as a PDF. Of course, you can also forward the packaging orders to our technicians immediately after they have been recorded. You complete the order at a fixed price and within a few days. You receive the full source code from the packages we create, so you can make your own adjustments or additions at any time. This means you have the choice between 3 options for each package: internal manual packaging, internal packaging with the package robot, or outsourcing the package to the Cluebiz technicians.